Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. Are you ready to take the leap and start your business in Minnesota? If you're considering forming a limited liability company, LLC, you're making a smart move. An LLC provides personal liability protection and tax flexibility, making it a popular choice for entrepreneurs. But how much does it really cost to set up an LLC in Minnesota? In this article, we'll break down the expenses involved, highlight the benefits of using Northwest Registered Agent, and give you all the details you need to get started. How much does an LLC cost in Minnesota? When forming an LLC in Minnesota, you'll encounter a few key costs. Let's explore each one. 1. Articles of Organization Filing Fee. The primary cost of forming an LLC in Minnesota is the state's filing fee for the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that establishes your LLC with the Minnesota Secretary of State. As of 2025, the standard filing fee is $135 if you file by mail or in person. For those who prefer the convenience of online filing, the fee is slightly higher at $155. 2. Registered Agent Service. Minnesota law requires every LLC to designate a registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your business. While you can serve as your own registered agent, hiring a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent is highly recommended for privacy and convenience. With Northwest Registered Agent, you get reliable service for just $39. Their team ensures that you never miss an important document, and they prioritize protecting your personal information. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 3. Annual Renewal Fee. Minnesota requires LLCs to file an annual renewal to keep their business in good standing. Thankfully, this is free of charge if filed on time. However, failing to file the renewal can result in administrative dissolution, so it's crucial to stay on top of this requirement. 4. Optional costs. While not mandatory, there are additional costs that you may want to consider. Operating Agreement. Although not required by law, an operating agreement is a valuable document that outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. You can draft one yourself or hire a professional to assist, which may cost $100 to $500. EIN, Employer Identification Number. If your LLC has employees or you plan to open a business bank account, you'll need an EIN from the IRS. Obtaining an EIN is free if you apply directly through the IRS website. Professional services. Some entrepreneurs opt to hire a business formation service to handle the paperwork and ensure everything is filed correctly. Fees for these services can range from $50 to $500, depending on the provider. Why use Northwest Registered Agent? If you're forming an LLC in Minnesota, choosing a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent offers several benefits. Privacy protection. Northwest shields your personal information, so your home address doesn't appear on public records. Dependable service. They provide consistent, reliable service to ensure you never miss a critical document or deadline. Affordability. At just $39, Northwest Registered Agent is one of the most cost-effective solutions available. Ease of setup. They simplify the LLC formation process, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Don't wait, check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. Additional considerations. Business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may need additional licenses or permits to operate legally in Minnesota. Fees for these can vary widely, so be sure to check with your local government and industry-specific requirements. Taxes. Minnesota LLCs are subject to state and federal taxes. While LLCs are not taxed at the entity level, you may need to pay state income tax, sales tax, or other applicable taxes based on your business activities. It's a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. Ongoing compliance. Beyond the annual renewal, maintaining your LLC requires staying compliant with state laws. Keep detailed records, file necessary reports, and adhere to any industry-specific regulations to avoid penalties. Total cost summary. Here's a quick breakdown of the essential costs to form an LLC in Minnesota. Articles of Organization, $135 to $155. Registered Agent Service, Northwest $39. Operating Agreement, optional $100 to $500. EIN, if applicable, free. Annual renewal, free. In total, forming an LLC in Minnesota can cost as little as $174, excluding optional services. Starting an LLC in Minnesota is a big step toward achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. By understanding the costs involved in choosing reliable services like Northwest Registered Agent, you can set your business up for success. Thank you for joining us on Dropshipping Hustle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your business. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today, and we'll see you in the next video.